Yes, it's recorded. Hey, of you, welcome to Con Masters. This is Anudeep, and we are back with another interview experience. And today with us, we have one of our student, Niranjan, who is from Electronics and Instrumentation branch, and has been placed in a company called Accenture as an associate software engineer with a package of 4.5 LPA. So, without
Hello.
wasting any time, let's get started.
Yeah,
So,
sure.
hi Niranjan,
Hello, sir. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Yeah, I'm doing great.
Okay. So Niranjan, first of all, I would like to congratulate you for getting placed in such a good company and amazing package.
Thank you a lot, sir. It was
Okay.
indeed guidance I got from Himanshu, sir. He trained us a lot in this for this
Thank you. Thank
Accenture
you.
exclusively. So
Thank you.
I thank entire Quant Masters team even.
Thank you. Thank you, Niranjan. So this video is all about to help those students who are preparing for Accenture right now.
Okay.
Okay. So I want you to explain everything in detail about the whole interview process, right from the first question till the last question.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Yeah,
So yeah, start.
yeah, yeah. I'll go ahead now. So, uh, if this, I would tell few general things
Okay, tell me
like
one thing. What was your first round?
first round was the online test.
The online test, and it
Online
was
test.
on which platform?
It was on their own platform, CoCubes, I guess. Yeah, CoCubes.
CoCubes. Okay, CoCubes.
CoCubes. It was
So
on
what you
CoCubes.
had in that?
There were three parts mainly. One was Java
Okay.
and the aptitude related, and the other was the programming round. If there was sectional cutoff for each round.
Okay. Could you please repeat all of that again? Java.
Java was the first round.
Java
If
for
we
the first
have
round.
a minimum cutoff, if we have reached the minimum cutoff, then we'll be let into the next round, that is aptitude. And
Okay.
after that, we'll be having one more round, that is a programming round, which will be for about, if I remember it right, it was for 1 hour.
1 hour. Okay. Okay.
We'll have two programs to write. One will
Okay.
be damn simple and other will be a bit complicated, but it will be still easy one to
Yeah.
do.
Could you please tell me more about each individual sections?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
So coming to Java programming, I being from instrumentation had no much knowledge about Java, to be frank.
Yes.
But a few days before I learned from my seniors that there will be questions on Java, C++, and all. But I was damn good at Python. But there were almost no, I can say there were no questions from Python in the
No
previous
questions
year.
from Python. Okay.
Yeah. So I had skimmed over few of the topics of Java, and I learned few of the things like from our seniors and even from few of the videos on YouTube, and I had few books, and I learned lot of things from there, and I could somehow clear the first round. All It was a bit challenging one for me because of no prior knowledge, no
Yes.
much
Yes.
prior knowledge. But somehow I didn't go line by line. I just understood the logic,
Okay.
and then I came to the final result. That was one of the strategies that I implemented.
Okay.
But one cannot say that this works out every time,
Yes. Yes.
because in some of the cases there will be mistakes in the syntax that they would have done intentionally,
Yes.
just because they know the people are growing smarter and smarter, and they'll just look into the logical part.
Yeah.
So uh, I was on the luckier side, I can say. uh, so I cleared the Java round. On next came the
Sorry to cut you there. How many questions were there in that?
20, around 20.
20. And what was the time given?
No, it was 1.5 minute, almost 1 to 1.5 minute per question.
Yeah, okay, okay.
We can say like 1 minute for question, 20
20,
questions and 20 minutes.
20 questions, 20 minutes. Okay. Now, were you able to solve all the questions?
No, 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 I wasn't.
It was so.
Yeah,
How many you could solve?
I could solve around 12 and guess the rest.
12. Okay. So, and then what was the difficulty level of those 20 questions?
Uh, for me, it was, I can say, 6 out of 12. If
Okay.
the rate 10 being the most difficult, then I will say 6. But few of my CS friends said it was 4 or 5 because
Yeah,
they
okay.
had this subject. Depends on the knowledge.
Yes, yes, yes. So it was on the moderate. Yeah.
Yeah, it was moderate.
Okay. So next section.
Next section is the quants.
Yes.
It contains logical reasoning and the all aptitude related stuff
Yes.
and all those. And there will be no much questions on the language ability.
Yes.
There won't be much questions on language ability because there is one more round, a special round for that itself. So
Okay.
there won't be much of the
Verbal
verbal
questions.
things. Verbal things.
Okay. So tell me how many questions were there in this?
If I remember it right, there were 40 questions.
40. Okay.
40 questions.
Out of 40, how many verbal questions?
Verbal, we can find around 5 to 6 maximum.
5 to 6 verbal
Yeah,
questions. And
maximum.
what about
Others,
quants?
quants like on all almost all the topics,
Okay.
averages, proportions, and mixtures,
Okay.
and train train
Train
related
problems,
questions and boat related questions, uh, and
percentage, profit
ratios,
loss.
profit loss, percentages,
Okay.
and all those. There was uh, no field that was left untouched. Like there was even questions. More of the questions were on interpretation of the graph,
Okay. Data interpretation.
data interpretation.
Okay.
So
Okay.
we'll have to interpret the graph because the most of the companies run on data because
Yes. Yes.
everything is data driven now. So they want the people to know a bit about data.
So you got questions from almost all the topics.
Yeah, almost all the topics.
Okay. So do you remember any particular topic or few topics from which you got more number of questions?
More number of questions was from ratios, proportions, averages, and the ages.
Okay. How many can we expect?
uh three three from each.
Three from each. Okay.
Three from each.
Now, how about logical? This was your
Logical
part.
was a bit tricky one. It
Tricky.
was a bit tricky one.
How
I
many
can
questions?
say it was above moderate level.
Above moderate level. But
Yeah.
what about the quant? The difficulty level
quant
of quant
Quant was moderate.
to moderate. You could
Yeah,
solve.
yeah, we were able to solve
And
it, but
was the time sufficient?
yeah, it was sufficient. We had worked for the Accenture exclusively for a week, so it
So you had
was
for 40 questions. How much time did you have?
40 minutes, 1 minute per
1
question.
minute for one question. Okay. For all the sections, it is same.
Yeah, that
One
is
minute
same.
for one question. Okay. Now
uh,
tell me about the logical part. You were
yeah,
telling about.
logical was just above the average.
Yes, yes.
Like it was a bit difficult one. I
Do you
think
remember any topics?
uh, the topics were like this for relationship related to relationships,
Blood relations.
blood relations. I am not good at blood relations at all. I found it very difficult, blood relations.
Okay.
And
What else? What else is there?
others like the uh, comparison between various blocks.
Okay. Okay.
For example, if one of the blocks had an arrow above, next block had an arrow left,
Okay.
what can be the third arrow here?
Non-verbal reasoning. Non-verbal reasoning.
Non, yeah,
So
reasoning.
how many you had of that type?
Three, 2 to 3 questions,
Two to
maximum
three.
2 to 3.
Blood
There
relation.
are even chances of getting one. My seniors had only 1 or 2 questions in it.
Okay. Okay.
It depends.
Okay. How many blood relation questions did you get?
One, two, I guess it was three or four.
Three or four. Okay. Okay. So
Blood.
have you got any questions from seating arrangements,
Yeah, seating
directions?
directions, like it was included in the along with the quant.
Okay.
Like
Okay.
they merged the questions.
Okay. 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 So
Uh,
they
it-
mixed up everything, quant and logical.
yeah, they mix the questions to form one single question
Okay. Okay.
to make it a bit tricky one.
So do you remember any other topics from logical?
Uh, and few questions in logical, like uh, uh, in seating arrangement, the round table one,
Yes. Yes.
will
Yes.
be sitting in a round table, then what will be your position? And also in uh, what is a blood relation, there was question like they will explain a whole scenario and they will
Okay.
ask how are you related to them.
Yes. Yes.
So like those were the questions. And they were and I forgot the technical questions. A few of the technical questions were damn too easy. like very basic level, different types of primitive data types. Few of
Okay.
them were easy, but in logical it was above moderate. uh, there were questions on round table, and there were few physics like questions like if you throw the ball above and move with a velocity of this much, and you are at a
Okay.
distance of 10 meters from the place you thrown the ball,
Okay.
what is the maximum distance? Like we will have to form a Pythagorean triangle and give
Okay.
the
Okay.
distance, maximum distance between we both,
So how
similar to
many of
what we
that?
did in the directions, or how far are you from it.
Yes.
So
Yes.
similar to that.
Okay. Okay. So that's it. So you have not got any questions from coding, decoding, syllogisms, all of this.
Syllogisms were there.
Syllogisms
Syllogisms
were
were
there.
there, and I can say that almost every topic we can expect at least one question, at
Okay.
least one question. So we'll have to prepare for all, but that is an ideal situation.
Yes. Yes.
Uh, to concentrate on few, I can say percentages, averages, ratios, proportions, mixtures and allegations,
Yes.
profit and loss,
What about time, speed, distance?
time, speed, distance. Not that much, because it was along with the train problems, on all
Yes.
those were
Yes.
merged. So
What about time work then?
time and work, yeah, there were questions on time and work, like
Mhm.
10 people can do a work
Yes. Yes.
in,
Yes.
yeah, there were a few of the questions even in that area. But those will be a bit tricky one.
Yes.
Those will be a bit tricky one. Like the eliminators.
Okay. Then one more question to you is: did your friends and you got the same set of questions, or
No,
is it different?
there were different set of questions.
Okay, but the difficulty level was same.
Yeah, difficulty level was same, but the set of questions were different. Depending on, it depends on totally on the way we register.
Yes, yes. So this was about the second section. What
Yeah.
else you had?
Next one was the programming one.
Programming. Okay.
Programming one was a simpler one.
Okay.
We had a discretion to select the language, like we can select C, C++, Python or Java. It was
Okay.
up to us. We could write the program in any of the languages,
How
but
many questions in that?
two questions.
Two questions.
One was damn too simple, and the
Okay.
other was a bit trickier one.
Which one did you choose? Python.
No, yeah, I chose Python. But what my seniors and few of the HRs whom I know in Accenture suggested is that try writing the program in C or C++, because when it comes to time complexity and the space complexity and all those, C and C++ are the best ones
Yes.
compared
Yes.
to Python. So they will be having an edge over the others.
Smart move.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I program one using Python and the other using C.
Okay.
The simpler one with C and the complex one with Python.
So timing for this section was
45 minutes, 45 to 1 hour.
45 minutes, and you
That is,
felt you were able
yeah,
to do it within 45
yeah.
minutes.
Those were the, I can say it was moderate level.
Okay.
If we know the logic, we will have to think a bit. There will be many ways to solve a program. We will have to chalk down the uh, program which takes the minimum time and the minimum space, and we'll have to do big one of annotations and all those. We'll have to see
Yes.
into it.
Yes. Okay. So after this, what happened?
After this, few of my friends got the confirmation mail for the next round. That is
So
the
this was
communication.
on which month? This was
Oh, the process. This process happened after a week. After
okay.
the exam, it took a week to get the
Okay.
confirmation mail on the further round. Uh, but due to some error, initially I didn't get the mail.
Okay.
I had my mail after 2 days
After
for the
2 days.
communication assessment. I said this because the students must not get down. So all my friends got the mail. I didn't get. So there must be no
Yes.
uh,
Yes. Yes.
back
Because
backing.
you can expect. You can expect.
Yeah, we can expect the mail in 2 days, or some of my friends even got the mail after 3 days.
Okay.
Because due to some internal error, I learned from the seniors there was some internal error in them. But I got after 2 days, and I had the communication round. This is one of the favorite round of mine.
Okay.
Uh,
It was again on the CoCubes itself.
no, no, no. It was on the Accenture's one of. It was on Accenture's platform itself.
Okay.
So this is a different kind of round. It is similar to what that we are doing now. So I must wear a headphone and sit in front of a computer. There will be around 6 or 7 rounds in it in communication assessment. Uh,
Okay.
uh, there are some words will be displayed or a sentence will be displayed on the screen. I will have to speak out.
Okay. Okay.
They will be assessing how I speak, the
So will
speed.
there be an interviewer for that?
No,
Or
no, it will
just
be AI enabled,
okay.
artificial intelligence based.
Yes. Yes.
So we'll have to give we'll have to give our opinion of some of the topics they will ask for it, and we'll
Okay.
have to read few of the sentences, and they will ask few questions and we'll have to answer it, and the checks even the pronunciation, how well we pronounce.
Okay.
There will be complexity level increases. We'll be having around 130 questions and 130 minutes.
Okay.
130
130
questions.
minutes.
Yeah.
That's
It
quite
will
long.
be like it will read out a sentence. Initially it will be a sentence of two or three words.
Okay.
As the time goes, it will be like 10 or 15 words will be said, and we'll have to remember all those and repeat it once again.
Okay. Okay.
And there will be even voice variations. Like once a voice of some A comes, and next time a voice of some B person comes, and
Okay.
there'll be some accents that will be difficult, like US accents. There will be person will be speaking US accents, even that will be difficult for us to
Yes.
understand. So it will be checking all those aspects, how well he can manage this stuff, and we'll have to tell a story indeed.
Okay.
This I enjoyed it a lot.
Fun round.
Yeah, even there I had a problem.
Okay.
One
What was that?
suggestion from me is to have a very good headphone, and the surrounding from should not be containing any noise. It should be noise free.
I didn't
What?
get you. Could you please could you be more louder?
Yeah.
Yeah.
One suggestion is that one must use a good headphone,
Okay.
and there must be a noise free environment.
Yeah, okay. Okay.
What happened to me is at the end of the assessment, a message came saying that sorry, we couldn't hear you properly.
Okay.
I had done it for almost 1.5 hours after the whole
After
stuff.
completion of the round, you got
Yeah,
it.
yeah, after completion. If it had said in the middle, I would have done something. Even then, I got depressed. Oh, I lost this round. But later, I mailed to Accenture's helpline saying this problem has happened.
Okay.
Luckily, they rescheduled the communication round.
Okay. You had it again.
Yeah. If there are any such problems, please ask them to mail it to the Accenture helpline.
Yes. Yes.
They will surely reply.
For all of those who are watching this, people, please be careful with the communication round. Use headphones, good quality headphones, and be try to be in a noise-free environment
Yeah.
for this,
And
especially for this round.
yeah, and out of exaggeration, they must not speak very loud and very speed. Even
Yes.
then, the scoring decreases.
Okay. Okay.
They must speak normally as they talk with everyone.
Yes. Yes.
Even there is a catch in it.
Yes. Yes. So,
After completion of
how was
this,
your second time at second attempt?
yeah,
It went
it
well.
went well. It went
Okay.
well. Indeed, they'll be sending a mail to check our earphone mic testing and the hearing testing and
Yes.
all
Yes.
those. But it worked fine then, but I don't know what happened later.
Yeah. It happens when
Yeah,
technical issues.
yeah. Later, I borrowed my friend's laptop and did it.
Okay. So after that,
After that, 2 or 3 days later, I got a mail for the next round, that is the technical and the HR round.
okay, after 2 to 3 days of your communication round.
Communication round.
Okay.
uh, HR and technical interview was good. I can say it was a moderate level thing.
Okay.
Like everything depends on what we have written in the resume.
Okay. Okay. Yes.
Just for the flexing ourselves, if we write something and all, they will just screw us. One of my friend had it. He had no knowledge about Java and SQL. Just he heard few of the things about it. He had put it in his resume. Later, the HR asked about what is Java, why is it, where is it used, what are the different data types in it, and how do you. And he asked to write a program just to print hello world. He couldn't do it. So, and he was taken out of the interview then and there itself. So
Okay.
one must not just flex in their resume. They must be genuine about what they knew. No,
Put only those things that they know
yeah.
properly. Yes.
There'll be questions on projects and even few of the subjects. They'll be asking which is your toughest subject
No.
and why. This is a tricky one. We must answer it very consciously and cautiously,
Yes.
because if I say like programming is one of my toughest subjects, then it's done there itself.
Yeah.
So we must be very conscious and cautious while answering such questions. They are the they'll find out our loopholes
Yes. Yes.
through those. And there were questions related to various programming languages, a comparison between. They asked me what is the difference between Python and C++ and C. Like that, we can expect the questions on basics.
Okay. This in this technical round there was only one person.
In technical, there were two
Two.
two
Both
persons.
technical
So
and HR. Or
yeah, both technical and HR. I had two, but few of my friends had only one person.
okay.
One of the person didn't ask any question. I think he was just monitoring.
Okay.
Uh, Only one popped the questions.
Okay. Please continue with the questions.
Yeah. There were questions on basics of programming. We had C in our first year, right? So he asked on C and time management. Like he wanted to know if one can do the multiple tasks at a time if assigned. And yeah, and the main important thing is we must always portray ourselves as we are humble to learn. This is one key thing they will be looking in us. And uh, and they will also be testing our exposure to the ongoing stuff or the ongoing technology around us, like AI, deep learning, and all those robotics, embedded systems, and the innovations in those fields. And the questions related to one of the in HR round, one of the persons asked me, what are your hobbies? They'll be even they can even ask questions on hobbies.
Okay.
I said I cycle a lot. I had cycled for around 85 kilometers at a stretch. He
Okay.
asked, since how long are you doing it? So they are checking the consistency and how persistent we are, and how deep we can go into one thing. All these things matter. And in technical, mainly resume. Every question will be coming from resume itself.
Whatever it is in the resume, they'll ask you
Yeah,
everything.
and we must be very polite. If we are a bit harsh, then the questions will come from the outer space. Very difficult questions.
Yes. Yes. So how long did you have the technical
For
round?
me, it was for 30 minutes,
30 minutes.
and for few of my friends, it was 10 minutes even. It
Depends.
depends on us.
Yeah.
As I had many of the projects I had done in my engineering, they ask questions on all the projects.
Yes. Yes.
So it depends on it.
They'll check you on everything that you've
Yeah,
written in the resume. So
they'll check
after
genuinity.
that,
And once that round is done, on the same day we had the HR round even.
okay.
uh, there were one HR was there, and he asked questions related to hobbies, what are the skills, and why Accenture.
Okay. So
This
what
is
did you
some
tell?
main questions. And tell me about yourself is the
Yeah.
expected questions, most expected and the most that will appear most of the times.
Yes.
And they'll even ask the questions on family background, uh, um, and there will be even questions related to package. One of the friends of mine asked, "What do you expect?"
Okay.
This is a tricky one because if he says some round figure and all, some money and all, the people will think, oh, he's money minded and all those. We must not answer that questions. We must somehow escape from it. We must know the way to say no.
Yes. Yes.
uh
So did they ask you that?
no, no.
Your friend. One of them.
No, but if they had asked me, then I would have said any decent salary would work.
Yes. Yes.
And even they ask us, are you ready to work 24 hours a day and 7 days a week for Accenture if you are given with a task?
Okay.
We will have to say yes, although it's impractical. We will have to say yes. And even there will be questions. One of the interesting questions was, I'm new to Accenture, and they will assign me a project which I will have to complete in next 1 week, and I have very little knowledge about that. What will you do?
Okay.
So I answered like first day I would go and research the basic things of it and the needed things what are required depending on requirement. I learn the stuff in 1 or 2 days and implement day or night for sitting for next 1 week and complete it. So we can expect even those kind of questions, and they'll be asking questions related to bond, not exactly bond, but the similar thing. They'll ask if are you ready to work for Accenture for 1 year? uh yeah, we must be ready because we have given the interview uh depending on the same, but we'll have to say yes. And once if everything is okay, then they'll be mailing us after 15 days.
15 days.
Yeah, the final, because the selection is regional level.
Okay.
All the college Once all the colleges have completed their process, only then the results will so it takes approximately 15 days to a month.
Okay.
And there'll be questions like the one last question would be, what do you expect from us? And any questions you have, do you have any questions to ask to us? In these questions we will have to try to impress them more and more.
Yes.
In the last question, if they ask, do you have any questions, if we ask them what are the leading technologies of the industry, then they will be more impressed. It shows our humbleness and the attitude to learn more. This is my experience about interview and HR and technical. If we
Okay.
I can say, like, if you are done with the communication round and the all the preceding roles or the rounds, then HR and technical is it's like walking on a sea. It's very simple.
Okay. Comparatively, it's much easier.
Yeah, it's very simple. It's very simple.
Okay. So after this, it took you 15 days to get the confirmation.
Yeah, confirmation mail, and we'll get a mail to accept the letter of intent.
Okay.
And about 2 or 3 months after accepting letter of intent, the pre-onboarding program starts.
Okay. So which means it has started now for you.
Yeah, 2 3 weeks ago it has
Three
started
weeks
for,
ago.
yeah.
And your confirmation was on
Like the
in which month?
offer letter was released on 24th of April.
24th of April. Okay.
Offer letter, I had to accept it before 24th. It was released on 19th of April. I
No.
accepted it, and I'm going on with the pre-onboarding program.
Okay. Okay. Super, super. So it was really great talking to you, Niranjan, and thank you so much for taking your time and sharing your interview experience with us. I once again congratulate you for getting placed. And one
Yeah.
last question would be, how did you get to know about our company, Quantmasters?
Okay. I came to know about Quant Masters from one of my friends who had registered to batch 7. But by the time I wanted to register to batch 7, half of the syllabus were completed by then. So I
Okay.
had to register for batch 8. It was an awesome experience, learned lot of the things. We learned how to solve any aptitude question without touching the pen. It helps a lot. Like other people take a minute or a half to complete a problem, while the Quantmaster students take it 45, less than 45 seconds.
Yes.
We'll be saving almost 30 to 40% of our time for the trickier questions, like the logical ones. Quantmasters helped me a lot in this aspect. I was very poor at aptitude, to be frank. And sir said that he would see to that every student must get final placement. He will try in his best. He gave its I can say he gave his 110%.
Yes.
He was very dedicated. And coming to programming, there were live classes which helped a lot, like starting from right from the scratch, because few of the people from mechanical won't be having a knowledge about programming. The tutor started right from the scratch of C, C++, and next to basics of cloud computing, Java, and DBMS, database management system, and SQL, and all those. It helped them a lot. I thank the entire Quant Masters team and Himanshu sir for training me and getting me placed into one of the companies, in helping me to get placed.
Thank you. Thank you so much for your kind words. And even we are really happy that you have been placed in such a good company.
Yeah,
And all the best for your future.
thank you.
So, would you recommend our company to any of your friends, relatives?
Yeah, actually, I had recommended to around 20 to 25 members
Oh
of
my
my
God.
friends, and all those have joined.
Great, great, great. That's great.
Yeah,
Thank you once again, Niranjan.
yes, sir.
It was
The
really
pleasure
great
is
talking
always
to
mine.
you. Thank you. Okay,
Thank you.
that's it for this video. I will meet again with another interview experience. Till then, stay home, stay safe.